Marts and Dana will show us slow foxtrot gold level routine with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. Very good. Now let's look at the same choreography, this time from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. Very good. And now let's look at the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold, preparation step, and we dance very basic figure, which is feather step, continued by bounce Fallaway with weave ending. Notice in weave ending we dance on toes except last step. Then we continue with curved 3-step, feather ending. Feather ending is second part of reverse turn. And then we dance hover telemark and outside step into feather step. We stay on toes and we end with top spin. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. So we take close hold, preparation step, and we move diagonally to center with feather step. We continue with bounce Fallaway, which is moving down line of dance. Weave ending, we finish diagonally to wall, then curved 3-step, moving diagonally to wall, and we turn, of course, and we continue with feather ending diagonally into corner, hover telemark, we finish diagonally to wall into new line of dance, we dance feather step, and we change direction with top spin, ending diagonally to center. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.